back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken soup. Gravy over this turkey. Like, are you kidding me? But it turned out great. It was nice. This is what it looks like. And I hope you guys give this recipe a try for your Thanksgiving table. Kosher salt. I wish I had some flaky salt, but I didn't have any. Anyway, without the salted caramel, this pound cake recipe is a fail-proof recipe that I use all together. And this just makes it nice and tender. It's cooked below, and I'll answer them. And thank you guys for your support. My Thanksgiving series, you'll know that potato salad right there was dropped yesterday. So if you want that bacon ranch potato salad recipe, you can catch it on my channel right here on the next video. Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So the turkey is finally here. I'll be making a drunken Caribbean jerk turkey recipe. So let's get started. Welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious spicy pulled chicken recipe and how I actually use the pulled chicken. It can be used in several ways, but today I'm going to put it into a to try it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.